Hello crafty friends, this is Sylvia Sanchez from DIY Stamping Fun. Today I want to show you, walk you through one of my first classes from the new annual Stampin' Up! Catalog. One of my favorite stamp sets, and if you follow my blog, I've already showed a couple of projects. But one of the new offerings in the new catalog is this pretty amazing jar of flowers bundle. The bundle includes this stamp set that has all these images. It's a reversible stamp set. You can use one side of the stamp to create the outline image, and then you can flip this stamp over and use the back side to add color into your jar. There's different floral arrangements you can use. You can also make this into a drink jar, like a tea jar or a Kool-Aid jar or anything like that. It's pretty versatile. When you buy a bundle, a Stampin' Up! Bundle, that means you buy both, you get a 10% discount on the bundle, as opposed if you were to buy the separate and then this, and then you'd lose the 10% discount. So it's better to get the 10% discount. Okay, so option one, this is what it includes. You'll get, the class includes 5 projects. The option one is a 72 full class to go. It includes the stamp set and the punch. You don't need a big shot or a die cutting machine. You'll get the Flowers for Every Season combo pack. It's 3 full bolts of ribbon. There's a baker's twine, a white ribbon that can easily be dyed with to match anything you want, using an ink re-inker or alcohol markers. And then there's this beautiful Just Jade gingham ribbon. So you get all of that, plus you get one blender pen. So all of this, along with everything you need to create the cards, and a PDF that includes the step-by-step instructions with 2 bonus projects. So that is $72, option one, the entire full class to go. What that means is I will cut, score, and provide you with everything to create these 5 cards. If you notice, this one has some embossing. I will do the embossing for you as well. The only thing I cannot include is a stamp to stamp your sentiment on there. For these cards, I used another really nice set from the new catalog, and it's called Lovely You. It has wonderful sayings on here, but you don't really need to use this. It's nice to use, but as you can tell, like on this card, you could probably use a stamp that you already have, but you'll get everything else to create your cards. And again, you will receive 5 packets with everything to create the cards. That's option one, $72. And then option two, what you get in option two is, that option is $34, and that's if you've already ordered early and you might already have the jar of flowers bundle. So you don't need this. Option two is you will receive the full 3 bolts of ribbon from the Flowers for Every Season combo pack. You'll also receive a blender pen, and you'll receive 5 make and take packets to create your cards. And again, the full step-by-step PDF that will give you instructions on how to assemble all 5 cards. The cards will also come with envelopes. Everything will be mailed to you in a priority mail envelope. You also need to register with me with my email address. And then option 3 is if you have everything, you have the combo, you have the ribbon, and you're going to choose to just work with a PDF, that is only $20. And it does come with the full step-by-step PDF and the 2 bonus projects also. The deadline to register for this is June the 20th. As per Stampin' Up! Policy, I cannot have, this is a pre-order. As per Stampin' Up! Policy, I cannot send stamped images or have product on hand. So after the deadline of June the 20th, I will then submit the order for the cardstock. If you chose the bundle, I will order all of that and either priority mail ship it to you, or if you live in the Amarillo and Canyon area, Amarillo, Texas, Canyon, Texas area, we can arrange to do a porch pickup and save on the cost of doing a mail out on priority mail. So that's a little bit of savings there as well. I'm really excited about this class. I think you'll be really happy with them. So if you're interested, please make sure that you register by email no later than June the 20th. After that, I will immediately place the order in for everything, and it normally takes about a week, and then I will ship everything out or contact you to do a porch pickup. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. If you need a catalog, also, please contact me. Again, hope to see you soon, and I hope you'll enjoy this class. I'm pretty sure you will. The colors are amazing. The PDF will give you all the tips on how to use a blender pen. The images can be colored with just about any medium. Watercolor markers, watercolor pencils, alcohol markers, and even ink pads. So let me know if you have any questions. Don't hesitate to call me. Again, this is Sylvia Sanchez from DIY Stamping Fun. Thanks, friends. Have a great day. Bye-bye.